What's that you're standing in front of? Is that the oven?
That's the Turbo Chef oven.
And what does it do?
It is a convection microwave oven. It operates about 800 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sweet.
Toast bread.
I hope so, at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And fry later.
Fry later. Flat top. 4-burner stove. All sitting on top of a 2-drawer
Sandwich
chef
unit.
base.
Get your hand sink.
Hand sink. 3-bay
So awesome.
sink.
That's your window that you were waiting for.
Yeah.
Nice, good idea with all the shelving.
Thanks, Alex.
Even up
Alex is
top.
in there.
Yeah.
On the shelving.
To use every bit of space. What's that? Steam table?
2-bay steam table. 4-foot sandwich unit.
Some English muffin?
English muffin we tested.